In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Robinhood Credit Card. You'll need to know that the Robinhood Gold Card is tied to your Robinhood Gold account, but canceling the card is a separate process. Also, the card closure is usually permanent, and you should pay off the balances first, and of course the reward and benefits may stop immediately after closure. So first of all, just go and open your Robinhood app account. Log into it if you're not logged in and make sure you are using the accounts connected to the credit card. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on it, you will find three lines at the top left. Just go and click on that. Once you do so, here you will find Robinhood Gold. Make sure just to go and click on that. And here you will find downgrade from gold. So once you do click on that, you will find, are you sure you want to downgrade? And they'll show you that you still have, as example, X amount of days of Robinhood Gold left. And by downgrading, you'll immediately lose access to the premium gold feature. But before the cancellation, make sure that you pay off any balances that you have and wait for the pending transaction to clear. Redeem the rewards if you have any if needed, because the closure will block or remove the access to premium gold features immediately. So if you agree to that anyway, just go and click on cancel or downgrade from gold instead of cancel, and you should have canceled your Robinhood credit card. And of course, if you want, you can contact the Robinhood credit support for assistance in the banking app if you want to. If you don't want to go through this process alone, they can help you do that as well. Make sure to do it if you think you don't want to go through this alone. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.